Okay, we've started. Hello everyone. I just want to make an introduction first. So my name is Clinton. I'll be doing the training, and this is the Reverend Neil White. He'll be learning about the Microsoft Word templates today. And then we have also Don Weber here, who will be acting as the observer. Say hi, Don. Okay. And all right. So before we start, I'll just need to read a disclaimer first about the fact that this video is being recorded. So this session or presentation is being recorded for assessment purposes for my course with Open Colleges. This recording will be live streamed through Open Colleges online learning platform to the Open Colleges learning management system. These sessions may be used by Open Colleges for compliance purposes or within a course to demonstrate examples of best practices. This video may be available publicly. This applies to the time the video is being streamed. After the recording, the video will be stored securely and will become property of Open Colleges. If you do not wish this to be recorded, you will need to leave this session now. Okay, so I think we're all okay with that. So the next other little admin item is to talk about the OHS and WHS items, the risk and hazards and so forth. So this is your real working environment. This is the Maroubra Baptist Church, and this is in the office of the Reverend Neil White here. And so before this session, we have gone through and checked the hazards. So the hazards associated with this session will be mostly working with computers. So so we just need to check that the wiring, the cables are all put in a proper place. So which they are all under the desk, and they are not in a position where anyone can get tripped. And also the wires are certified. There's the labels there to say that they're all electrically safe. And also in terms of fire escape, in case there's a fire emergency, we'll go through the main door to this room here, and then we'll just assemble downstairs in the garden lawn. And the toilets are on the first floor of this building. And I think that about covers all the administration items, so we can go into the main session now. So this learning session is about learning how to use the templates in the Microsoft Word program. Okay, let me just start the slides. Okay, so a few benefits of using the templates. So basically, templates is a time-saving feature. It allows to be reused again. So when you create a document, you can use the same templates that you have designed before. So within the template itself, you can design a few things into it. So you can change the styles. You can select the styles such as the fonts, the font sizes, font types, and you can do different kinds of formatting. You can select your margins, width, and so forth. You can also add headers and footers. So I've just only indicated a few lists off the top of my head, but you can have different styles that you choose as well. Okay, and the learning outcomes for today's session will be 4 tasks that we will cover. The first one will be to create a new template, and then followed by saving the template. So saving is important because you have to choose a different format to save as, and once you've saved successfully, you can reuse that template. And then we'll go on to actually creating a new document from a template that you have saved before. And the fourth one, which is very interesting and could be useful, is applying the template which you have created to an existing document. So I think, Neil, you have created many documents over the course of your usage with Word document. So I think now is a good time just to tell the viewers about your experience. From what I've known, you have used Microsoft Word for a long time. You are quite proficient with it. You have used created so many documents with it as part of your work as a pastor, where you write sermons as well as writing different kind of documents. And in terms of language literacy and numeracy, you are a native English speaker, and you have no trouble understanding. This course will be delivered in English. And also the fact that you have used Microsoft Word for a number of years, that will be very good as well. So we can jump into the new features, and we can explore the new features. Anything you'd like to add here? Maybe your learning styles or things like that.
Well, I like to take notes so that I can
Okay.
refer back to the notes
Okay.
rather than rely on my memory. So I'll
Okay.
jot down the points that you give me
Okay.
so that I can refer back and hopefully
Okay,
pass the test.
no problem. Sure, you can do that. Yes. So I'll first be talking through some slides, just a very few minutes, briefly. That's all. And then you can take notes while I do that. And then the next major section of this session, I'll be actually doing some demonstration, and you can take notes as well. And then I'll be getting you to do the actual work on using the templates. Yeah. So I think we are good to go. Are there any other questions before we start?
Ready
No?
to go. Thank
Okay,
you.
all right, let's good. So let's jump on the computer. Okay, so the first task will be creating a new template. So let's go to open a new document in Microsoft Word. Alright, so this is just a blank document. So a template can be anything that we design it to be. So in this case, let's make it very simple because we need to go through this quickly. And then we just, for example, say that we want to have a header as part of the template. So I'll just create the header over here. And then I'll just add the header. Header. So there. So this looks like an ordinary document, and the way to save it as a template is you go to the file and save as, and then you click computer, and then you can click custom open office. So the most crucial part is this one. So Word will open up a dialog where you can choose the type of file you want to save as. So you need to save it as a Word template, and click, and then give it a name of your choice. So just say template header. This is called 03, and then now it's got a proper extension. Just click save, and there you go. So that covers the first two steps, which is creating and saving the template. So I'll just quickly go through the third step now, which is to, for example, go to Windows Explorer. Now you see the template header is there. So all you need to do to create a new document using a template is to open the template. So the templated document is ready for you. So you can just type anything, create your own document. And then you just save your document. So the first time you save your document, it will ask you to do save as, and then you can select the directory of your choice, and then just make a 3 document, and there. So that is the new document being saved. And now let's say we want to. Let's say we want to have an old document but apply a new template to it. So let's go to that document which we have just saved, and just open that document. Now we want to use an existing template over an old document. So the first thing to do is go to File, and then click on the options word, and then choose add-ins, and then under the manage you choose templates and click go, and this is the important bit where you have to automatically update the document style. And then you choose attach. Let me try that again. Options, add-ins, templates, go, and attach. Okay, so we just attach this.
It was attached.
This. So, okay, in this case,
that attached
it's
then?
not appearing. Yeah. Okay, so we just
It's attached there, is it?
okay. Let's try a new document. So I think this one is not working properly. So let's go to this one. Options, add-ins, and templates. Click go and attach. So we're just going to choose a template which is pre-made, and it's from documents, and then under documents you've got the office templates, and this is something which we prepared just now, and then just click OK, and there you go. So the templates has been applied to that document. Okay, that's good. I think we're making good time. So I think now we can get you to practice on this. So I've demonstrated the 4 learning outcomes, and then we can get you to go through each of those right now. So I'll just close off the document. Okay. So let's start by creating a new template. So we just go to a file. Just go to a file.
Right, that's a template that we've got open, right?
Yeah, that's right. So we can just ignore this. So you can
Alright,
go to
so I need to go to a file.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a file. Okay. Now what am I looking for? Any file?
No,
No.
sorry. Let's
Okay.
go to the Microsoft Word again. I'll just open up Word again. Okay. All right. So just open a blank document.
Right, yep.
All right. So this is a totally blank document.
Right.
So what we want to do now is create a template.
Okay.
So
we can
now you
insert.
think of something, a design. Yeah, you can insert a header or footer or something like that.
Yeah, insert a header, yep.
Yep.
I'll go to a blank header there.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. So you can type something in the header.
Yeah.
Yep. And close header on top.
Close header, yeah.
Okay, so let's say this is your template already.
Yep.
So now we have finished our template. The important thing now is the second step, which is to save the template. So go to File on top there, and Save As. Down a bit,
Oh yeah.
and then go to Computer,
Yeah.
and click on Custom Office Templates. On top, 2 on top.
Oh.
No, sorry, that one there. Down.
Yeah, okay, I'm with you. Yeah.
And choose the Save As type,
Yes, so it's got to be a
and choose
template.
Word template.
Word template, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now just select the name. Are you happy with the name?
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Okay, new template there. Okay, save, yep.
And okay, so here's your template already. So let's close off this document, completely close off the Microsoft Word. Okay, so now we are ready to go on the third step, which is creating a new document with the template. So if you go to Custom Office Templates, there you go. Bottom, yeah, on top. Yeah. So do you recognize the file that you just saved to the template? Okay, so just double click on that. Okay, so now you have just opened a template, and so the object now is to write a new document using this template. So you just can type something.
Yep.
Just pretend this is a document, some letter or something. Okay, and then now just save this document.
Mm-hmm. I can go control this there, can I?
Yes.
Yeah, and it's got to go to computer.
So, and then because this is the first time you are saving it, so it asks you.
Computer.
So you can save it anywhere you want. This is a regular document now.
It's just a regular document.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can
Well,
save
hang
in
on.
Clinton, which you can remove.
How do I get to see my?
You can
Directories.
click browse if you
Oh,
want to see
browse.
browse.
Yes. Okay.
So it's
and
new
the
directory,
directories, okay. So I want to save on the personal.
Okay. And you may want to
Yes,
change the name to before you save.
template. Yeah.
Yep.
I
So
want
you
to change the
name.
name, file name.
Yep. So make sure it's a Word
I thought I
document.
had it in there. Yeah. and it's a
Yeah.
just save.
Yep. Let's save first. Okay. So here you go. So you have managed to do the third step.
Yes.
Third task. Good.
Okay.
Good. So now let's move on to the fourth. The fourth step, which is opening an old document, which you have here already, so we can use from here. So this step is about using the old document and then attaching a template on top of it.
Right.
So now that you've got it open, all you
Okay.
need to do is
File.
file and then options
and then,
and add-ins
add-ins. Yep. Got it there.
and then manage.
Yeah, manage
Yep.
there.
Select
and go
templates.
Templates. Yep.
Yep. And select
There
go.
you go. Yeah.
And
this
then
will automatically
attach.
update.
Yes, correct. So that's
Yeah.
important. So you can choose the other template which we used previously. So click on
Now
attach.
attach. What's this that's come
So
up
this
here?
one's got the Neil template.
That's a
Yeah.
new template.
That's right. So let's change it. Go to attach
Yeah. Attach.
and go to the
So that didn't attach the one that was just showing there.
correct. So
Alright,
you
okay.
want to choose a new
All right,
template.
one
So
of
go
these,
to
okay.
documents. Go to the documents on your left left hand. Yep. Select documents down, two down.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Okay. Go to custom office templates on your
Yes.
Over there.
Yep.
double click
Yep.
and
got
then
it.
choose the header font to the second item.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just to
Alright.
you double
So
click on that.
double click, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now everything looks okay. Just click
Yep.
the OK button.
Yep. And it's
So
changed.
there you go. So it sees that the new template has been applied to
That's
that.
good.
Okay, so you can save this document now,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
that template will be there.
Now this is a template. This is a template.
This is a
isn't it?
document now because
That's
you
a document.
open the old
Okay.
document. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
think
that's right.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
So now we have covered all 4 steps.
Yeah.
So
Good.
okay. So any questions right now?
No, I think that's very clear. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
that's good. So
Yeah.
you managed to complete all those
Yeah.
4 steps. That's good.
Very
So
good, thank
yeah,
you.
so thank you very much
That'll
for your
be
time.
helpful.
So thank you, Neil, and thank you,
Yeah.
Dawn, as well.
No
Yeah.
worries.
Okay.
Thank you very much.